And I see your MP coming with his whole bus plan.
Anyone who knows me knows I'm not for any specific party. However, when I see the leader of the opposition inciting at this point taxi drivers and bus drivers to destroy the buses that are being brought into the country to transport our children, I have to speak. So, before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I have a question for you. Would you prefer a designated school bus with a designated driver handpicked by individuals who have your children's best intention at heart? Or would you rather a random taxi or bus driver that's driving on the road who you don't know their intentions to transport your child to and from school? Who remembers the recent, very, very recent popular video that went viral with the child that hit the woman in the back of the head with the stone, only to realize that that altercation was a reaction to that woman drawing a knife and injuring 4 students on a coaster bus? How soon we forgot? Don't you think if there was a designated bus that transported children to and from school, that would not have happened? People, do not let these politicians control you with their politics. Again, I do not care for GLP or PNP. However, when we see programs being implemented by either one of these parties that will benefit the country, we need to support it and bash the opposition or whoever is trying to make it out to something that is not. How dare you incite the bus drivers and the taxi drivers to destroy these buses? Because you might say, oh, he didn't say that, but that's what he's basically saying. Who remembers what the bus drivers and taxi drivers did to the JUTC buses? How soon we forgot? Again, people, these are just my thoughts. So are yours?